when a single commercial valuable species is extensively planted and other species is eliminated, it's called enrichment plantation. When and in which state was the program of a joint forest management first adopted? Sumya?
Joint forest management.
Siddhi? Bubu?
1988 in Odisha.
कहीं पढ़ुच तो से गोटे पिला आंसर दो. Name any two movements which were launched by local communities for the protection of forest and wildlife. Oh, Chipko movement. Name any two states which have large percentage of reserve forest of its forest area.
Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat.
What is joint forest management program? Which was the fastest to adopt this program?
When local community and
local people and community came together to form
a program which involves with local communities in the management and restoration of a degraded forest. It's called joint forest management program. 1988 started by Odisha in 1988. Give a brief description about Project Tiger.
Project Tiger was launched in
1973. It showed the success as the tiger population went up, but in 1993 it has dropped. 1993. The major threats to tiger population are poaching for trade, shrinking habitat, depletion of prey, growing human population. These are the reason for tiger population. The trade of tiger skin and the use of their bones in traditional medicines, especially in the Asian countries, had left the tiger population on the verge of extinction. There are now 54 tiger reserves in India. How many tiger reserves?
54.
Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Sundarbans in West Bengal, Manas in Assam, Sariskai in Rajasthan, Bandhavgarh in MP, Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following national park is the site dedicated to preservation of one-horned rhinoceros? Bandhavgarh National Park, Baksha Wildlife Reserve, Kaziranga National Park, all of them. Water of Bhakranangal project is being used mainly for dash, hydel power and irrigation, fish breeding and navigation, industrial use, flood control. Hydel power and irrigation. Water issues achi to Dash is the first state in India which has made a rooftop rainwater harvesting structure compulsory to all the houses across the state. Tamil Nadu, good. In the semi-arid and arid regions of Rajasthan, all the houses store drinking water in holes, tanks, gulls, matkas. Narmada Bachao Andolan is a NGO, non-government organization that mobilized tribal people, farmers, environmentalists, and human rights activists against the dams being built across the river Narmada. Sardar Sarovar Dam, Tehri Dam, Bhakranangal Dam, Nagarjun Sagar Dam. Koyana Dam is one of the largest dams located in Dash, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Maharashtra. Rihand Dam is located on river Rihand, a tributary of Satluj, Godavari, Son, Brahmaputra. Son. The diversion channels seen in the western Himalayas are called dash. Gulls are
Cools.
agricultural fields which are used as rain-fed storage structure are called cools, recharge pits, khadins, none of these. Underground tanks seen in Rajasthan to store rainwater for drinking is called tank, pond, pools, khadins. Bamboo drip irrigation system is prevalent in which of the following state? Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Madhya Pradesh.
Meghalaya.
Dash in the Mahanadi basin integrates conservation of water with flood control. Krishna Sagar project, Teri project, Hirakud. Why local people oppose the big hydroelectric project in India?
It displaced many large number of people. The community and led to the loss of their culture.
What is the most important benefit of a hydrological cycle?
It renews and recharges the water.
Renews and recharge the fresh water. Name some hydroelectric project on Damodar River basin.
Orchid, Koynar, Mathun.
Name the village in Karnataka which has earned a rare distinction of being rich in rainwater. Gendathur. What is a coal?
Diversion channel from the Himalayas.
In the hill and mountainous regions of the western Himalayas, the diversion channels are called. What are interstate water dispute? Why are such issues raised? Give some examples of some disputes. Interstate water disputes are disagreement on the sharing of water and other resources of rivers and other water bodies among state governments like Odisha and Chhattisgarh Mahanadi Road. They arise due to unresolved problems regarding sharing of the cost and benefits of a multi-purpose project on these rivers. For example, the Kaveri River water dispute is among Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and Puducherry. The Krishna Godavari water dispute is among Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. The Mahanadi, Odisha, Chhattisgarh. The Ravi Beach River water dispute is between Punjab and Haryana. The Jamuna River water dispute is between Haryana and Delhi. How have intensive industrialization and urbanization posed a great pressure on existing freshwater resources in India?
They pollute the freshwaters.
Freshwater is almost limited, though renewable in India, but over exploitation and mismanagement of this source by the industries are aggravating the water stress day by day. Industries, especially heavy industries, use huge amount of fresh water for industrial purpose and they pollute and waste such water. These industries for their energy consumption purpose depend on the hydroelectric project and this electricity is generated through damming the rivers upstream. So the river almost dries up in the lower stream areas. Agriculture. So a group of small land holding into a bigger one is called dash. Selling of land holding, collectivization, cooperative farming, consolidation of land holding. Cooperative. Bubu? Consolidation of land holding. Which of the following is the most important occupation of the people of India? Food gathering, manufacturing, agriculture, service.
Agriculture.
What is primitive subsistence farming known as in northeastern state like Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland? Horticulture, Penda, Milpa, Jhuming.
Penda.
Northeastern, Jhuming. Jhuming in Brazil is called dash. Roca, Masol, Ladang, none of these. Roca. Brazil le Jhuming कहते हैं. The slash and burn agriculture is known as Mexico. Milpa, Konok, Roca, Masol. Milpa. Brazil de Roca, Mexico de Milpa. The Green Revolution based on the use of packaged technology and the White Revolution is dash.
Milk and egg.
To improve the lot of Indian agriculture, Operation Flood, na both A and B, na none of them. To improve the lot of Indian agriculture, Operation Flood, both A and B, none of these. Both A and B can be just. करो ना ऑपरेशन चलिए जो both A and B ऑपरेशन हाँ अगर दीटा था A and B white है milk and dairy product को ये करे सेड़ा को agriculture कौन थे नहीं अरे ना सेटा भी agriculture कौन थी बुझी पाइले A type of millet rich in iron, calcium, other micronutrients and roughage is dash. Bajra, jowar, ragi, rajma. कौन ला? Ragi. The slash and burn agriculture is known as kono in which of the following countries? Mexico, Venezuela, Brazil, Indonesia. जहाँ ऑप्शन आसियो वेनेजुएला और इंडोनेशिया भितर ब्राजिल रो कोन कहितु ब्राजिल रो कोन स्लैश एंड बर्न को कोन मेक्सिको मिल्पा मेक्सिको ये जो येटा कोनु को वेनेजुएला ठीक है स्लैश एंड बर्न इज नोन एज बेवार इन व्हिच स्टेट मध्य प्रदेश आंध्र प्रदेश राजस्थान झारखंड मध्य प्रदेश व्हाट इज मींट बाय एमएसपी
minimum support price.
वेरी गुड एबे न्यूज सुनुतबा जो धान पैडी किनिया पई गवर्नमेंट को कहते एमएसपी बढ़िया पई मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस minimum support price is the minimum guaranteed price of a crop fixed and announced by the government before the start of a cropping season. Which state is the leading producer of rubber in India? Kerala. Write the amount of annual rainfall required for the cultivation of wheat. 50 to 75 cm. What is commercial farming Europe? Anyone?
The farming that is done for the gas purpose.
Farming undertaken with an objective to earn profits from agriculture by using modern technology. What is slash and burn cultivation? In this form of cultivation, farmers clear a patch of land by burning the vegetation. They produce cereals and other food crops to sustain their family. When the soil's fertility decreases, the farmers shift to another place for cultivation. Why chumming is a primitive subsistence farming in India?
Because primitive tools such as hoe, tools,
Chumming is practiced in hilly areas of northeastern states with the use of primitive tools, and it is for self-consumption only. So it is a primitive subsistence farming in India. Which crop is known as golden fiber?
Jute.
jute,